Did you know that just 2 simple words could completely transform how women perceive you? Stick with me, and I'll show you how these words can change your interactions for the better, starting today. Hey there, and welcome to the Stoic Route. Today, we're diving into an incredibly simple yet powerful phrase that can elevate your confidence and change how you connect with women. These aren't magic words, but when used correctly, they convey something irresistible: decisiveness, clarity, and confidence. Ready to unlock this secret? Let's get started. But before we dive in, take a moment to support the channel by hitting the like button and subscribing. Your support helps me create more valuable content and reach others who need it. Plus, it lets the algorithm know this is content worth sharing. Let's jump in. Why most men get it wrong. One of the biggest mistakes men make when talking to women is being overly accommodating or indecisive. Have you ever caught yourself saying things like, "We can do whatever you want," or "I don't know, whatever you prefer"? While this may seem polite, it often projects uncertainty, and nothing diminishes attraction faster than a lack of confidence. What many men don't realize is that being vague about what you want doesn't come across as easygoing. It comes across as insecure. Women appreciate men who are clear, confident, and know what they want. This is where the 2 words, "I want," come into play. The secret power of "I want." At first glance, the phrase "I want" might seem too simple to matter, but its power lies in what it represents. When you say "I want," you're not just making a statement, you're demonstrating decisiveness. You're showing that you're not afraid to express your desires. This combination of clarity and confidence is magnetic. How to use "I want" in real life. Now that you know the power of these words, let's talk about how to use them effectively in your daily interactions. 1. Asking her out. Avoid saying, "Hey, if you're free, maybe we could hang out sometime." Instead, try this: "I want to take you to dinner this Friday." See the difference? You're no longer seeking approval. Instead, you're confidently expressing your intentions. 2. Starting a conversation. When you're interested in someone, skip the vague or overly cautious approach. Instead of saying, "Maybe we could talk sometime," try, "I want to get to know you better. How about we grab a coffee this week?" This kind of directness is refreshing and appealing. 3. In a relationship, if you're already seeing someone, use "I want" to communicate your desires clearly. For instance, instead of saying, "Whatever you'd like is fine," say, "I want to spend more time with you this weekend. How about we plan something special together?" This shows that you value the relationship and are invested in making it stronger. Confidence without arrogance. Let's clarify something important. Saying "I want" doesn't mean bulldozing over other people's feelings. It's about expressing yourself honestly while respecting others. If a woman can't meet your suggestion or prefers something different, respond with understanding. For example, if you say, "I want us to go out for dinner tomorrow," and she suggests another day, you can reply, "Sure, how about Saturday instead?" This balance between confidence and flexibility is crucial. Women appreciate decisiveness, but not stubbornness. The key is to be firm yet adaptable, showing that you're clear about your desires while remaining considerate. Tone matters. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Your tone should reflect confidence without arrogance. Keep it warm, kind, and respectful. A commanding tone can come off as controlling, which is the opposite of what you want. Building trust through clarity. Another hidden benefit of using "I want" is that it builds trust. When you're clear about your intentions, it removes any guesswork or confusion. Women appreciate honesty and straightforwardness because it shows maturity and respect. By expressing your desires openly, you're setting the stage for a relationship that's based on transparency and understanding. The ripple effect of confidence. Confidence doesn't just impact how women see you, it changes how everyone around you perceives you. When you practice saying "I want" in your daily life, you'll notice improvements in all areas, whether it's at work, with friends, or even with strangers. People gravitate toward those who exude self-assuredness and clarity. For example, imagine you're in a meeting at work. Instead of saying, "I think we should consider this," say, "I want us to move forward with this strategy because it aligns with our goals." This small shift in language makes you sound more decisive and confident, which can lead to greater respect and influence. Challenge yourself. Now that you understand the power of "I want," it's time to put it into action. Here's a simple challenge. For the next week, use the phrase "I want" at least 5 times a day. Whether it's asking for what you want at work, with friends, or in your personal life, practice being clear and direct. You'll notice how people start reacting differently to you, with more respect, interest, and admiration. Don't stop there. Reflect on your experiences at the end of each day. Ask yourself, how did people respond? Did I feel more confident? Over time, you'll see how this small but powerful change can transform not only your interactions with women, but your overall confidence and self-perception. Take action now. Don't let this knowledge go to waste. Comment below with an example of how you plan to use "I want" this week. At the end of the week, come back and share your results. I'd love to hear how this small change impacts your confidence and interactions. Using "I want" is about more than just words. It's a mindset shift. It's about embracing clarity, confidence, and respect in all your interactions. Start practicing today, and you'll see how this simple change can create amazing results in your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Stoic Route for more insights on personal growth and building confidence. Together, we'll continue working toward becoming the best versions of ourselves. See you in the next video.